Here's a lesson from a recent win with a national real estate development company managing more than 80 locations. The opportunity came through an advisor and initially looked like a straightforward network sourcing project. But for months, we weren't speaking directly with the customer. Everything was being passed through the advisor, and the information we had didn't fully reflect the environment. Once we were able to meet the customer directly, we uncovered the real situation. Many of their circuits were still under contract, which meant a full network replacement was not the right move. Instead, we built a strategy that could support the network today and then transition services over time as contracts expire. The solution included an SD-WAN deployment across 82 locations, along with UCaaS and backup connectivity. In total, the environment includes 44 source circuits, lifecycle management across 96 circuits, and hardware management for 44 switches and 44 SD-WAN devices. The key takeaway for advisors is this: the best opportunities happen when we move beyond quoting and get into the real conversation about the customer's environment. That's where the real value shows up. Thanks for watching Inside the Win. Stay tuned for more stories, strategies, and lessons learned from the field. Until next time.